In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to take any georeferenced video file and turn that into a MISB Full Motion video spec file. Some people also refer to this as a STANAG 4609-spec video file. Now, when we say that, MISB Full Motion Video, STANAG 4609, when you say those things, they're specifically referring to a method of taking GPS data and embedding it into a video file. And the reason that we're going to do that is a lot of third-party video mapping programs out there will only accept videos that are in this specific format. There are many other ways to georeference video, but some of the more popular video mapping tools out there, the most popular probably being Esri's ArcGIS with the 3D Analyst Add-in. These programs specifically look for that MISB Full Motion Video spec, that STANAG 4609 spec. So that's what we're going to do here today. In this example here, we have a video that was captured using a GoPro. This GoPro actually had GPS on board and was embedding GPS into the video as it was being recorded, but it was not embedding it in that MISB Full Motion Video spec format. So we've brought it first here into Remote GeoSystems LineVision Desktop Ultimate Edition, and we're going to simply turn that into a TS file that can then be played in these third-party full motion video players. And in our case, we're going to show you how to do that with Esri's ArcGIS Pro. So we've got the video in here. There's a number of videos out there about geotagging, georeferencing video, and then loading it into LineVision. But we basically did this by going File and Open Single Video, navigating out to that video file. So we'll spare you that for now. But we simply come over here to the icon in the media browser. We're going to right-click on that, and then we're going to select this Save as MISB FMV STANAG 4609 spec video file. And we'll go ahead and save that here to the same folder we got the original from. And it's just going to take some time to go through this here. You've got a little counter at the bottom. Depending on the length of the video and how powerful your computer is, it may take a short amount of time, could take a long amount of time. So we'll probably have a little bit of a pause here and wait for this to finish. Now we're getting close to done here, and it should give us a little message. There it is. FMV has been created, and it's showed us where we put it. So we say OK. And now that we have that video file, it is over here in my Windows Explorer, and it just gives it the default name of Remote Geo_FMV. You can call it whatever you want, obviously. But let's go over to ArcGIS Pro. And we're going to take that video file and just drag it into there. Move this out of the way. And there is our video in the ArcGIS Pro video player. And we're just going to zoom in by hitting this button here. And let's go ahead and click play. And now you can see we are able to take this GoPro video that previously did not have geospatial metadata embedded in the MISB Full Motion Video spec. Now it does, and we've now brought it into the Esri ArcGIS Pro software that has the 3D Analyst Add-in. And it's pretty much as simple as that. Bring the video into LineVision, right-click, save as MISB spec, STANAG-spec video file, and you should have a TS file that is ready for Esri and other third-party MISB players. If you like what you saw here, please go ahead and hit like, subscribe, get the latest updates from Remote GeoSystems. Thanks a lot. See you next time.